Let's see how. Okay, let me try. It's very easy. Pre-cut, ready to go. Okay. Let's see the other side. Okay, right here. Yeah, I was checking on eBay, checking the prices, and there is one of these model engines for sale, and the seller wants 80 bucks plus shipping plus taxes. Well, everybody has a right to sell, so I hope those who wants to buy my model engines can find the link. I hope you will be able to find the link to buy my model engines directly on my Google store. And if you are interested, I'm making about 20. I got 20, almost 20 ready for this week. So I'm just gonna show you this Trackmaster, and this is Tomy. See how clean the contacts inside. So I got more right over here, another one. I'm gonna put all of them at the same time right here, so you can check them all. Not enough room, but I have 5 units that we assembled today, ready to go. If you guys are interested in buying one of my model engines, check the link below and the description if we still have available, and then the link will be on the description on this video. If we don't have any others available, the link will not be on the description. So let me show you. The seller on eBay is asking for $80, $79.99 plus $4 shipping plus taxes. So I guess you're gonna pay like what, $89, almost 90 bucks. Now if you want to buy it from me, you can buy it directly from my link below. I have these model engines for 60 bucks plus shipping. That way you're gonna save 20 bucks. You're gonna save 20 bucks if you buy it from me, and the link is below this video. So here it is, a little close-up of the model engine I have. I have 5 ready to go today, and during the rest of the day and tomorrow we are gonna get the 20 units ready, plus another 15 for the next week. So if you guys are interested in supporting my channel, well, this is the way you can do it, and I hope you like it. Thank you for watching. Over and out.